Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. It's the first time you're watching one of my videos. Welcome. I help homeowners when they've had damage to their property. Anyway, what I want to talk about very briefly is a situation when you have had damage. Why is it difficult for the insurance companies to really pay you fairly? You pay for the insurance. The insurance says that there is coverage within the policy that when certain things happen and you have coverage for it and it's happened with the proper conditions around it, the insurance company says we will then pay you financially to restore and to fix things, to correct it. A term that's used is to restore things back to pre-loss conditions. That's the point of filing a claim when you've had damage. But why is it difficult for the insurance company to be able to do that at times? Now, I'm not going to tell you every single time you have a damage, the insurance company has done the wrong thing. I will tell you that by far the majority of time they are not paying what they really should to pay out. And I would ask you, well, how do you know whether they do or don't? Do you understand your policy? And at this point, I would say probably not. Do you know how to read through the policy and figure out your coverages? Chances are probably not. Do you have a trust and a faith that your insurance company, in the event you need to use them, is going to do the right thing? And I would say probably so. As a matter of fact, let me correct that. You guys would say absolutely. Well, I hate to tell you, but it doesn't work that way. Very rarely do you get everything represented properly during the claims process. And that's why public adjusters come in. A public adjuster is somebody that is set up within the government. Now, we're not a government employee. We're a licensed and bonded individual that is under insurance and banking in each state. If you ever look up your state, go into the government departments and find insurance and banking, and you will find public adjusters. And the whole point, the purpose of us being there is to provide an avenue for you as the homeowner when you have suffered a loss and you filed a claim, if you feel that you've not been treated fairly, that you have some recourse. Somebody who is on your side to look out for your best interests. Because I have to tell you, the insurance companies are always looking out for their best interests. That's just the way it goes. That's the way it's written. The insurance companies wrote the policy. They came up with all the different conditions and forms and endorsements in it. They set up the rules. It's up to you to follow them, but they're not clear. There's where we come in. We understand the rules. We have the training that an insurance adjuster has. So we have the ability to interpret that policy. And when we're doing so, we're interpreting it within mind of what's in the best interest of you, the homeowner. That's why we exist. We're here to help you. There is a fee for that, but it never comes out of your pocket. That fee comes at the end of the settlement when we've actually had the claim satisfied. The insurance company cuts a check, and at that point, we get a fee out of that check. And as a bonus, if for some reason the insurance company does not cut a check after we spent a lot of time and effort, you owe us nothing. We do not get paid from you. We get paid from our efforts representing your claim to the insurance company. And from that insurance check is where we get paid. In other words, you get paid, we get paid. If you're not getting paid, there's nothing in it for us either. How much fairer can that be? That's what's called a contingency basis. That's how we work. But the bottom line is public adjusters are on your side to make sure that you get treated completely through the whole process. So next time that you have a situation, if you know anybody that has a claim that is getting the runaround or that feels that it's come to the end of the settlement now and that they don't feel they've been treated fairly, have them reach out to me, Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. At the end of this will give you my information, how to contact me. Let me take a look at things. Something that most people aren't aware. If you filed a claim, now it varies from state to state, but this is the minimum. All states have at least 1 year. So if you filed a claim and it's only been 6 months that have gone by, I can come in, reopen that claim, and 9 times out of 10, we actually get you a check. How big is it? I have no idea. How big is your claim? What was the damage? I can't tell you that. But I will tell you, if we come in and we reopen that claim and we don't get you paid anything, you owe us nothing. That's not a bad deal. You got everything to gain and nothing to lose. That's what I wanted to share with you guys, that this is a great option for folks when you find yourself in a situation with damage. So guys, give me a call. If you like what you heard, would you give me a thumbs up? Would you also share this with others? And please subscribe to my channel. All my information will be at the end of the video. And I thank you very much for listening. Have yourselves a beautiful day. God bless you.